Okay, I actually think I've solved the P0128 error code that comes up when your water temperature goes down to 0 and the power steering goes to limp mode, and also the air conditioner fan, the fan takes off and goes on high. I disconnected these 3 harnesses on the computer because I thought, you know, it comes and goes. It doesn't, and then I've already checked out the temperature sender, and it checks out good. So they don't, temperature sender's not going to get bad and then get good again and then get bad again. So I think it's got to be a bad connection. So anyway, I've already done this and I know it works, but I'm going to show you how to take those harnesses off of there because they're a little different. And what I did was I pulled all 3 harnesses and kind of looked at them and then put them back on. But I think the fact that I pulled them off and reconnected them is what actually made that connection better. So I'm assuming there was a bad connection there, but this is how you do it. So there's a red tab that you have to slide back, and hopefully you can get this to a spot where you can see it. The red tab slides back like that. Push down here with your finger, and this, okay, see, I just pushed it down, it just released. Now this thing's loose. So to get that off, you raise this up, and as you do, it's going to pull this connector off of the computer. Wiggle the connector a little bit while you're doing it. Take it slow, just like that, all the way back. And then just grab a hold of this guy, work it back and forth. And you have to make sure that this lever is all the way to the rear because it actually unhooks. And now it won't move, and it's not going to go back until you get that thing connected again. And like I said, I just took a look at it to see what it looked like. And I pushed it back on there. You push it down pretty good, and then this goes this way. You push it back down, and it's going to pull that connector back. You push this down until it snaps. Hear that? That was easy. And then you want to push that little red clip back on to keep that in place. But I did it with all 3 of those. And I got back in the car. You hit the start button once, it's going to click and not start. So let it sit there for a second, turn it off, turn it back on, and it starts. And everything worked perfect. And I mean, this thing just threw this code this morning, and I thought, oh great, you know, something's wrong with it. And I thought, I'm going to try that. I just pulled those 3 connectors off of there, put them back on, and it's fine. So hopefully that helps everybody. And maybe that's the only problem. Maybe it's just a bad connection, but time will tell, I guess. But right now it's working fine. So, well, good luck with your repair.